Afternoon to each and everyone. First of all, I would like to thank and congratulate K Servico and Home Credit for the successful launching of this new financing partnership. Congratulations. And we're very honored and thankful as well, of course, for allowing us to be part of this momentous event. I'd just like to take this opportunity to inform everyone that Suzuki Philippines we are actually celebrating this year our 50th year in the motorcycle industry. At hindi po kami aabot ng ganitong katagal kung hindi po kami susuportahan ng K-Servico. Maraming salamat po. And of course, I would like also to honor Home Credit for opening the doors for our motorcycle enthusiasts. Posible pala yung 1 minute. Ang galing. You will really open the doors for not just for Suzuki but for all the motorcycle brands na yung magkakaroon ng new ride and new possibilities. Ang galing ng proposition. So again, congratulations, more power to K Servico and Home Credit. Thank you.